Hello, how are you? Congrats on being first, yet again. Always first. Do you like your new badge? You have a new badge on Twitch. Let me turn on music. Should be good. Yeah, how are you doing? Are you? Hope you are having a good day, and hope you like your new badge. I gave you a new one. Turn on display capture. There we go. Today we'll be continuing to work on the slime. Let me move the slime actually. Think. Let's have it sit next to me today. Today, we'll be working on giving this slime more things to do than just eat cookies. Because all it's been doing is eating cookies. Which is great and all, but I think it can do more, right? We can give it more stuff to do. So my plan today, I think one of the things I want to do is to have it like react to redeem, not more redeems, like you redeeming first, for example, a euro. I wanted to react to that and do something. You should do something to congratulate people who come and redeem first. Alright, let's see. How do we do that? Well, first let's see how the redeems are set up. Okay, open code. Redeem manager. Yes, Zelda music. I put on just a mix of Zelda music. It's almost 4 hours long of different Zelda music. It's called Beautiful Music for Zelda, for relaxing studying The Legend of Zelda. I like it so far. It's pretty nice. Alright. It do sound relaxing, yes. Okay, so I think first we want to create doing an animation, not really. I think for now I'll do like a speech bubble. Like it should open like a speech bubble and say something. Let's do that. Let's create like a speech bubble. Or the slime. Ah, here it is. Should that be in 2D or 3D? I think it should be in. Oh, if it's a speech bubble, nah, it can be on 2D. Create empty speech bubble. Then we can make it so that it can say all kind of things, like maybe like a thank you when there's like a follow or sub or stuff like that. But for now, let's just make it speech bubble. I probably want a canvas in here. And that should be this screen overlay. Scale with screen size. And in here, for now, let's put some text. Speech bubble text. And let's give it like the bubble thing. So that will be a picture. So then an image. Speech bubble. Let's change the text to like a darker color. Let's hide the settings. It's kind of in the way. This one, let's let's see. How do I do this? I want the text to appear and then the bubble to grow around it. To contain it. Okay. So probably add a content size filter so it knows what should be the size. Same thing for the text. So the text knows what size it is. Would that work? 0. But that did not work. Got the text, the bubble thinks it needs to be 0 size, which is not good. This one knows its size though. We can invert the roles and have the bubble actually be just the background kind of thing. That wants to fill up the space. But I want text to be in front of it. Probably the Z position. -1? No. Oh. People drive Barbie. Alright, drive safe, you. And are you Isekai? Did you change your name? Regular at the Magic High. Welcome. How are you doing? Hi, Heart. How are you doing? Are they in Project Tree? Yeah. Like usually I would put the text on top of the under the bubble. But I was looking into just experimenting a little bit to see how I can have the text bubble grow to fill up the text space. And I was thinking of using the stretch here, but probably not a good option. What I probably want to do is use a content size filter or write my own code that just checks the size of the bubble of the text and grow with it. Got a new fan. Oh, it's not helpful. Well, at least you get more airflow, so that hopefully helps. Also, the music is it's getting a tiny bit loud. Let's drop that down. So probably content size filter. What kind of tutorial? What do you mean? I guess it actually doesn't know the size of the children. So one way I can do this is use one of the layout group. Would layout element work? No. Just one of these. And use a child scale. This forces the child to plus text auto size. Yeah, that's what I thought at first, but it didn't seem to work for some reason. Like that was my first attempt. And the text like already has the correct size, but it's not expanding. It thinks, for some reason, it thinks that the preferred height is 0. VHChat said there was tutorial, all it was make you walk. Congratulations. Well, it basically taught you how to walk around, because that's really what you need to do, interact with stuff, I guess. Like the text has a correct size, it knows what it needs, it has a preferred height and width, but not the image. I wonder if I'm missing something. Layout element? No, maybe that's what I'm forgetting. Does it need to be flexible? I don't think so. That should not matter. I mean, I could write a script that just grabs the size of the children. That would make it, that would work. I could also do that. Worst case. Wrapping enabled, overflow. Let's ellipsis. Yeah, I think in here maybe. I do want to have space in under these are margins. Yeah, I do remember doing it without code before too, but I don't fully remember what I did. Like I remember using, I know content size fitter makes it so that this one knows what it needs. So like the width and height here are set correctly. But for some reason this one is not seeing it. It's like, oh, I need 0. You know how to adjust a sensitivity? I don't remember. Okay, so question for you. Should I call you Isekai? Keep calling you Isekai, or should I start calling you irregular? Or magic high, or high? Or the, or magic? What should I call you since you changed your name? Let me know. What happens if I don't use it? Content size fitter. On any of these. No, this is not quite right. It needs a content size fitter to know what it needs. So this sets it correctly. Let's see. Let's look into the UI stuff. If there's anything I can use. Toggle. Let's see. Right. Huh. So you think I need the also the layout element? Flexible height, maybe. Vertical layout. Okay, so one of these, one of the groups then. Yeah, I guess that would work too. Vertical layout and use child, I believe is what I need, right? I think we can remove this. There we go. So the text is growing correctly now. Okay, so the layout group is what was missing. Yeah, it doesn't make too much sense that it needs a layout group, but I guess that works. Oh, no, let's add some padding around it. Like this. Then actually I could just make another one on top for the border. Actually, let me think. That's fine. And then you can call it whatever you like. Don't have a single name. You know what you want to call. I mean, title is different every time. Yeah. Use a slice. Yeah, that way I can split up the borders, so I can keep the border like without scaling it all over the place. Oh, I guess let's boot up Photoshop. Oh. Then I can slice it. That way. I'll keep it, I guess, pixel art for now, just to make it simple. Unkind, Nebula Reflection, Nebula Zombie, Harold, etc. Okay. I'll probably keep calling you. Should I keep calling this guy? I wonder if that will confuse people. I'll call you Magic then. I think that's easy. You start building Chatplex. And you got UX designer for the UI. Nice. Very nice. How is that going? How big do I want this to be? Let's start with something simple. Oh yeah, Hart, thanks for the help the other day for the chat thing. I got it working. Yeah. It's not done yet. It still has bugs, and I didn't build support for animation yet. Servers, hypervisor, VM, firewall, VM, WebDB, Discord bot, YouTube backups, all that is working. Nice. That's very nice. And I got this working. Oh, showing text is working. It's only showing one message. I got it working with static emotes that are PNG only. I need to add support for WebP and GIF. Look, have fun. Oh no. I'll have some fun. The camera color curtains around an OBS capture work. Yeah, it works here. Like you can see it here. There's one version of the app running right here on the stream. Involves C++. Oh, that's fun. That's fun to know. One of the things is you can redeem in chat in the channels. One of them is feed the slime, and it will feed the slime with a cookie. Super highly recommend to copy pasta your work. Maybe I will. Maybe I will. I'll look into it. I'll try. Hey, you fed the soul slime. It's just a small animation that plays when you feed it. Yeah, I'll look into it. Thanks. Alright. Don't want to work on chat for today. No, I'm just want to make the text speech bubble. Let's do something like this for now. Selection invert. Let's make it round. Select feather. Is it feather? Select modify smooth border. 10 pixels. Oh, but that did round it. Smooth probably. Yeah. And then invert. We did. Invert again. Expand. Maybe like 20 pixels. Invert, delete. Oh, I'm on the wrong layer. Oops. All that up here. Funny part, most of what I'm doing, you'll do it too. I propose a Unity SDK for overlays. Nice. Hey, welcome back, you. With tacos. Ooh, what kind of meat did you get with your tacos? That'll be nice, Art. If you get an Unity SDK. For now, I'm using this mostly like to learn because I also know that I know how to do it, so I want to do it just for the sake of doing it. Select invert, modify expand 20, and then invert again, and then delete. Al pastor. Is that pork? Mainly useful for YouTube stream overlays. Ooh, nice. The way I have mine set up, I don't take care of the Twitch part at all. I'm currently connecting to something called StreamerBot. Because it just takes care of everything for me. I'm too lazy to set up everything, and it all works via WebSockets, so it's easy for me to like give the setup to someone else, and I can like eventually connect it to via chat, make my own like OSC things. It's easy to use. But if you make something better that I could use hard, maybe I'll migrate to using your SDK. Let's do also, okay. Background. Let's just fill this with white. Hi, El. Hello. How are you doing? Okay, now that I have a nice bubble, um, I'm thinking. I think I do want to add a thing over here. And let's clean this up using my tablet. Oh, not eraser. Let's make it smaller. Like this. And then eraser for the outside. I probably would need to make this larger. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. What happened? Stop. Control Z. Yeah, with the slicing, I have space for this. I'll just move everything in a little bit. Visible. Like this. Now in the grid. Here, much better. Eraser is kind of big. 5. There we go. Let's add some white in the middle. This, oops. Here we go. Now we got like a good enough speech bubble for now. I'll make it better eventually. But for now, just for now, that's all I need. So let's export that into project. Speech bubble. And let's head back to Unity. Let's turn this into a sprite. And single step, I think. Was it default? I forgot. Let me create like a. Let me just modify this. Image. Oops. So this one takes sprites. Why? And then is it multiple? I think it is. We tried to send a link. That did not send. Challenge me. Wait, can you DM me the link that you're trying to send? Because it's not visible in chat. Cookie dough. Ooh, cookie dough ice cream is a good option. I'll show this to chat. It is a speech bubble that Hard sent me. What is happening in this corner? Or is it like a transparent corner? Pause drawing. It gives a lovely style though. It's like a scuffed but like likable scuff style. I like it. But what do you challenge me with it? Are you challenging me to use it? It's been so long since I worked with UI. Let's see. Let me just take a look. UI toolkit. That's probably not it. Just for the joke. There's a portal called 100 avatars, and then all not your text. There's a rock in the middle of water and green triangle rock on the side of an eyeball with words and word visible in the water. When trying to get a good angle response. Huh. That's weird. There's plenty of avatar worlds. A lot more. More than just that one. You can do some research and see what exists. So just explore. Just search for avatars on VRChat in like the search box, and you'll find a bunch. Yeah, you can make your own, but you cannot upload them yet. Since your account is new, you have to become. I think the trust level has to be user. So right now you're probably a visitor. You rank up and become a new user eventually, and then you become a user. You need to get to user before you can upload, I believe. I'm blanking on what I need to do for the don't think you play enough to rank up. Yeah, in that case, uploading is probably not an option for you. Because I can put an image. Okay, so just for testing, we have this speech bubble. Can I put it speech bubble? Wait, it's not. Sprite. It is a sprite. Oh, because it's in multiple. Speech bubble. It's pretty big. Yeah, sliced. And does it have a border? Now I have to do this with here. Insert editor, and I think this is where I do it. So let's define the center. It's starting to come back to me. I don't know how to get back to portals. You can open the menu by clicking escape. Then you have a bunch of options. Oh. I don't. This is not the thing I want to do. So maybe not send it. Maybe I want to go here. Is a midterm grade? No. Cell size. That's also not it. Center. This feels most like it. Let's see how that looks. Because now it's. Yeah, let me control that for now, just for testing. Oh yeah, there we go. That works. Everything around is consistent. Like it doesn't change in size. Now it's a little bit too big though. So let's say half. Super unit. Oh, here. Alright. Thank you. Thank you. Alright. This looks good enough for now. We can turn back on these things and add more spacing to it, more to the right, less on the bottom. Okay, so this is the most, and more to the top, and a little bit more to the left. There we go. Now I can write some text in here. Multiple lines doesn't work well. Let's see. It's probably from the bottom. Like this, 20. Self-resizing speech bubble. GG. Yes. Thank you. Hard. Best align text vertical middle. It's already done. That's something I did. One of the first thing I did. Yeah, I play a little bit more with the values, I think. Left, I think 24 was good. Right? Looks like a 34 would look good. Maybe 34 is tiny bit too much. 30? 28. Yeah, 28 looks good. Okay, now we have a speech bubble. So have a script, fade text, character by character if you want. Oh, that's interesting. Something like that is something I would take the challenge on learning. Let me guess. You're running a routine or maybe something that runs on a timer, or something that runs once every update, or like every couple updates, and you update uh, what what part of the text is visible. But that's a good idea. That's a good idea. Let me write it down so I don't forget about it. You do not change content. So it's just the rendering part. X/fade. You play with TextMesh Pro over Text Buffer. Oh, I see. I haven't tried that, but I can see how that could be done. For now, let's just get the core features before making it fancy. So let's have. Okay, I can hide this. Let's add a new script. I'll organize it later. Actually, no. Let me just create a folder for it. Speech bubble. Okay. Don't get rid of this. Hey. Let's get a reference to Twitch Manager. And let's make a function. Actually, in start, I want to listen to an event. What do we have? Can do on channel redeem. Yeah, it's on channel redeem. And never forget to unsubscribe to that. Oops. On channel redeem. Now I can react to it. When there's a redeem. For now, let's do the high one. If redeem data title equals actually let's do to the lower equals too high for now. If we detect a high, or say high actually is the full thing. Say high. Now you want to have let's see, canvas. No, actually, I'm fine with TMP text. Speech bubble X. You have a group for alpha? Yeah, I was thinking that, but I think I can cache it because I don't need like a hard reference. I can just get it and cache it and start. But let's start with the core feature first. So speech bubble dot text equal for now we can construct hello redeem dot data dot display name. For this should update the text. Okay. So I want a timer duration. And then after a while I want to, so I need two things. I need to make it visible, show bubble, and a hide bubble. Cherry, hello. Thank you so much for the sub. Welcome back to being a QD agent for 3 entire months. How are you doing? Thank you again. I appreciate it. I hope you're doing well, Cherry. Hope you're doing well. So here, yeah, I guess for now we'll just be lazy. Let me just peek into here. Let's see what object doing super well. Not just well, but super well. Nice. Good to hear that. I'm doing good. A little bit tired from work, but good otherwise. This is taking a long time. Canvas. I guess I can just take a canvas, go take the guitar game object. For now. Set active to true, and here canvas is active to false. Just made a preset avatar and avatar maker. Options are very little, but basically putting it off, kind of doing Wii avatar. Yeah, but the issue is you won't be able to upload it until you get to user trust level. So unless you play enough VR chat to unlock that level of trust, you cannot upload avatars. So it's kind of like a waste to build that now. Okay, so here we show bubble, and then here we can invoke name of hide bubble after duration. Okay, so with just this, it should work after I connect everything, of course. So let's add the script in here, speech bubble, and then let's add the Twitch manager, and let's add canvas, let's add the speech bubble text, and let's say 3 seconds just for testing. And then this should be hidden by default. Oh, you're using it as testing this side. Okay, I see. Let's connect. It wasn't connected yet, hard when you redeemed. But now we can redeem it again. Put the pick into discard. Alright, I'll check it very soon. Hi. Did that work? An error occurred. Set active can only be called from main thread. Okay, I know what happened. This thing is not in the correct thread. Oh, none of this is in the correct thread. Okay. I wrote a thing for this. Hi Kyo, how is it going? It didn't work because it was on the wrong threads, and a lot of these things require being on the main thread. Okay, so show bubble should be fine. Invoke, let's also add it. Okay. Go with woozy. Maybe you took 10 pill. 10? 10? Like 10? That's a lot. That's a lot of pills. Are you supposed to take 10? You got a junkie. Okay. If you say so, Kyo. 10 sounds like a lot. Usually, like when I'm sick, I take like 2 pills. Okay, let's try again. Oh, hey, Epic. Welcome to the Q Squad. Thank you for the follow. How are you doing? Alright, let's try. Okay, it popped up. I saw it popped up for a little bit, but the text did not. The text updated, but the UI did not update. That means I have to force it to update. Because just setting the text is not enough. So speech bubble text set all dirty. This maybe not all dirty. Let's see. Material layout. I think layout dirty is what I need. You can take pills, you just suffer all the pain. Yikes. Yikes. Hello. You're doing well. Okay, so with this, that should force it to re-render next update loop, and hopefully that is enough to make it correct. So let's try again. Won't work? You don't think it will work? Oh yeah, it did not. Save some pain, layout rebuilder, force rebuild, layout, immediate. Alrighty. Hey, the second time worked. But the first time did not work. Set layout. That's it. What was it? Layout rebuilder on top of layout. On top of it. So the image needs it. Okay, the image doesn't know. It needs to be updated. Makes sense. Image, speech bubble, container. Oh yeah, or dot transform dot parent. That also would have worked, but it's just test for now. Oh, there's a rebuild. Canvas update. So what did I miss in chat? IU with the artist badge, yes, because IU they animated some of the emotes I have. Extra wisdom flute in the top right of the mouthful. What was that ping? Why am I hearing a ping? What was that? I heard a ping, and I'm confused. Okay. The static class. Layout rebuilder. Interesting. Force rebuild layout. and then I pass in. Okay. Uh, container dot rect transform. So this would, yeah, this sounds like it would fix it. Let's see. Extra wisdom tooth at the top right of the mouth, forcing its way out right now. And then 1 or 2 times a year. I feel like you should look into, removing it. I think you're supposed to remove it. Oh wait, I need to attach. Speech bubble. You got so much trouble with that for chat integration. Oof. Coming from someone with experience. Hey, that worked. It works. Although 3 seconds is too short. Let's do like 5 seconds maybe. Yeah, 5 is more. Maybe even more than 5. Yeah, that worked. Thank you, Heart. That surely saved me so much time. Because I haven't worked with layout rebuilder before. Like I knew I needed to force it to refresh. But layout rebuilder is something I did not know about. Okay, so this works. This is nice. I put like 8 seconds for now. So it's a little bit longer. Music is a little bit low. Let me push it up. But yeah, Magic. You should probably look into if whether you can, get a dentist or something, or someone to remove that. Sounds like not a good thing to keep it in your mouth. I don't feel like it's a good thing. Of course, but too terrified to go to doctors and dentists that you can go. I understand being scared, but you know what's scarier? Not knowing what's wrong with your body. I feel like if you can, of course, I know that not everyone can, but if you can, if you have the means to go see a doctor or like a health specialist, you should, because well, it is scary to see someone that can give you bad news or that can do something with your body. It's even scary to not know what's happening, and not knowing, being in the dark about your body, I feel like it's even scarier. At least personally, that's how I feel. Transition into oh, this is like a bunch of songs together. Interesting. Okay, now I got the speech bubble. Let's see. What would be the best way to make it movable in the UI? Off to bed? Alright. Have a good night, Heart. Thank you so much for the help you've given me, like a few tips you have given me today. Made me make progress a lot faster. Yeah, I agree with you. It's better to know. And Darius, hello. How is it going? I want to look into something that I have. Package manager. I'll look this on a separate screen. So I don't want to make something that I should know. There are chance that I'll need that you need my help with pay on the line. Pay on the line? What do you mean? I don't do pay like money things help. but I don't know what you mean. I care to explain it a little bit more? Yeah, I'm looking through the things I bought because I have a lot of assets with Unity. Is there something I should be careful about? No, nothing, anything's leaking. Okay, good show. Skybox, Simplify, Asset Bundle, Sin Machine, Current Bonds, For Sky, Focus Effects, Source, Generate Camera, Icons. You got 5 avatars to make and need my help with Unity? Pay to help? Let's talk about it outside of stream, like after I'm done streaming. So we can talk about the details. Does that sound good, Darius? Let's see, node canvas. Yep, alrighty. Outline effects. Do I have something for window management? Free material, wispy box, coder, your product pack, wireframe, touchscreen. Turn assets, the VR, simple UI. Oh, it's just a bunch of themes. That's all I need. File browser. Let me rephrase. Okay. And say extend doctor that is terrified of intense pain by the thought of them sticking needles and cutting you up, cutting things up. See your heart beat out of your chest. Come to pain, be see even though it's been done, or be in pain anyways. Yeah, it can be scary, for sure. Especially when they need to like stick tools in you, right? What are you doing? You don't have any controls over it. Like you don't even see what they're doing usually. So it is scary. No one is going to deny that. Lean UI? Maybe this. We'll talk about that, Darius. I'm not saying that I'll accept or not. We'll talk and then we'll see. I think this is what I need. Hopefully it still works. So before I do anything, let me just make a save. Oops. GitHub. Let me make like a commit. It's basically like a checkpoint. That's each bubble. Okay, let's install this. It's probably overkill, but I'll try. Then we'll decide if it's overkill or not. Oh, nice. They put it into a plugins folder. I like that. I just need something to edit UI quickly. Okay, now let's learn how to use this plugin. README. Okay, I'll read. Inside each asset is the guide file, which contains documentation. Select this file, project tab, and click local documentation. Okay. Lean UI. Guide. Thank you for using Lean UI. Documentation can be opened below. Okay, oh no. Then how do I get started? These are the assets. Okay. Just to get a component. Lean drag. Okay. Example. Let's take a look at the examples. Drag. That's what I want to look into. Ooh. Let's hit play and see. Looks shiny. Okay. This is what I want. I want to be able to drag. Is there anything else I want? Handle, edge, nesting, resize. I want to look into the resize. Drag me. Oh, for the resize. Okay. So there's like a thing I can click to resize. You remember when you cut your pinky open? Yikes. That sounds painful. Opening a wine bottle with a fork. 2.4 and it shattered in your hand, went through, I think, 6 stitches. Pinky did not numb it well. Last stitch did hurt a lot. Ouch, I'm sorry to hear that. That sounds painful indeed. Okay, so let's see. They got box, shadow is just an image, and then drag handle. And then drag handle selects a box. Okay, this looks simple. What about the drag? Drag box, there's a lean drag object. And then the rest is just image, panel, text. So the drag box just has nothing set up, just interactable, and it just works. Okay. Lean drag. Hi chef. Hello, hello. I'm doing well. How are you doing? Okay, so the lean drag is easy. Let's just copy that and add it right away. Where's my C? Oh, speech bubble. Let's add it here. Paste as new. Okay. Now let's look into the resize again. Save. Good to hear, doing well. Just insane amount of arm pain. Oh no, is it because of Beat Saber? Vanilla ice cream and crushing Oreos on it. Cookies and cream. Nice, very solid choice. Drag handle. So it's just this with the target, and then the rest is just values. So just need to add a target. Okay. Okie dokie. Back to 3D view. Let's make it visible. Well, let's start with the drag first. Hey, I can drag it around. That was easy. Okay, now actually I don't need to resize because it is a text bubble. You think I could resize the parent to make it bigger or smaller? Yeah, let's do that. Empty speech bubble container. Okay, let's call it speech bubble, and then let's rename this one to container. this, well, copy and then remove. Would that work? This and hand size fitter. There we go. And this one shall have clean dry. Yes, I can drag it around so. Beat Saber has been extremely painful to get back into. I can't imagine. I don't know how I'll do when I get back to it. Like I haven't played since September. I'm going to die when I play Beat Saber. I'll have to take it easy. You're excited to see what I do with level 2 Discord. Time to spam new emotes. Yeah, I'll look into more emotes. If you have any suggestions of emotes, please let me know. Like I don't think I'll have a lot of original emotes, but I will try to find like at least existing fun emotes to add. And I'll probably add more variants of the ones I have. Like the one like the slime that is holding a sign. Like this one. I can make more signs. It can like hold different words or different letters. Maybe I can try to add like so many of them so that you can communicate through slimes. That would be funny. Just add the entire alphabet. Yes! I need to add the entire alphabet. I need to add 26 of them. And all the numbers. So 36 more new slimes, which each alphabet and number and numbers. Q slimes, infinite portal. So like falling infinitely between two portals. I like that too. I like that too. Let me write it down. Scrap post-its and pen. Infinite slime ball portal. What do you think of all the alphabet? Is that too ridiculous? Like we could communicate with all the emotes. That would be kind of funny. But yeah, it would also be kind of a waste. Well, it's only 26 up to 36, maybe 37. It's like at most. It will work with emotes only mode. True. Like it won't work on Twitch because Twitch I don't have enough emote slots, but on Discord we could just like start talking with emotes. Or like the react, like when you react to a message, you could like spell out words with it using the slimes. I think I've let me see how many emotes can I get with level 2. Server settings, emotes. Oh, I have plenty. I can upload 114 more emotes. Yeah, I'm going to do all the alphabets. And then I'll do the... I think the infinite falling one should be easy enough. I could do it animated. I can animate that one. Should be easy. Yeah. I'll do that too. Good ideas. Good ideas. Okay, so I can drag this. Now I want to resize it. I need to add like another picture. Resize handle. Let's make it pretty small, but make it like yellow so it's easy to see. And let's put it at the bottom corner. Layout elements, ignore the layout. So I can just put it at the bottom corner. Top corner. Bottom corner. Oh, not that far. For now, let me just put this here, just to test. And then here, you can add a resize, lean resize. And the target is the speech bubble itself. Let's clamp it. Min of 10. Max of 2001. Oh, is Azu taking commissions again? Didn't she change her name? Did I not work? I can move this. I cannot click on that. Wow. Flexible navigation. But let's not clamp it. Kinomomio. Okay, I'll think about it. Okay, so the resize is not working here. Kinomomi. Okay. Yeah, maybe because like the issue with commissioning more emotes is the emotes will be good, right? But I don't have enough emote slots on Twitch, so it's only for Discord, and it bumps me out a little bit to commission more emotes, but not being able to use it on Twitch. So I'd rather commission something different that I can use on Twitch and stuff like that. You know? Well, let's see why this doesn't work. Let's look at the example of resize again. So canvas, drag handle, image, raycast, basketball, tractable. Why is this too intractable? Right box, unused even. What's the max on Twitch and how do you get more? My max is currently, let me see. And the way I get more is I have to get more people. More people sub long term. So creator dashboard. So right now I have 7 standard emotes, tier 1, 3 animated emotes, 1 standard tier 2, 1 standard tier 3, and 3 bit emotes. I don't have access to follow emotes yet because I haven't streamed enough. So I need to stream more. I need to stream more. I think I need to stream 60 days to unlock the follow emotes. And then I need more people to sub. Max? No, that's not max. That's maybe... No, that's not max. That's what you have. That's not max. Right? Because there are channels with like 50 tier 1s emotes. Oh, for affiliate. Okay. Yeah. So max for affiliate, sure. But like you can get more, technically. If you reach partner. Or like a special agreement with Twitch. For this it looks the same. So one thing I want to try is removing because of the size. Can I resize? Okay, so I don't want to resize, maybe. Because what I need is scale, not resize. Well, that's fine. I think moving is better. More QD stream. Yeah. Okay, so this works. I'm thinking, what would be the best way to set up? Maybe setup mode or something. And also, it should not be center. The text should be right aligned. Yeah, should be right aligned. Wait. Right now it's center. It's center. Oh, because of this? Better, right? Maybe? And this? Feels center. Is it because of the anchor? Let's see. How do I make it so it's always aligned? Hey, feeding this line. Yeah, it's scaling up on both sides, which means the anchor or the pivot. Here, this one. X. I want it to be maxes should be 1. X Y 1 0. Would this work? No. Or is it the pivot? Maybe it's a pivot. Yeah, I think that's a pivot. So I want the pivot to be here. At 1. What about now? Hey, that works. Now I need to... I would like to set like a max so it starts going down multiple lines. No, I need a fufu Shrek slime. I'm trying to imagine that. I'm having trouble imagining it. Elementary Watson. Huh. Would that be like for when the slime is well, whenever I accomplish something, I'm like satisfied with solving some kind of puzzle, maybe, or mystery, solving something. I'm happy about it. Okay, so if I do this, what happens to the text? It overflows. I wonder if there's a way for me to put a max. Let's see. Flexible height, min. I can put a min, but not a max. Or I guess that's the smarty pants on purpose about that. I'm not sure how often that would happen. What happens if I put auto size? Max 32. Does it stop eventually? Or no? No, it doesn't. But I can put multiple lines. Okay, so I could do that by code instead. Like a pre-formatting code. Yeah, okay, I'll do that. For this, I can put it back to preferred size. And okay, let's do that. Reload. But apply text, or I guess string format. Tag. Do I want to do this format? Or no, just apply is fine. Apply. Apply text. Text. Message. Well, since I'm as infinite cookie, the steel cookie wouldn't work. Trying to come up with one that as good as Kyo, I can come up with any of it yet. Sassy kitty. Let's move this in here. Let's move this here. Apply text. For now, it's just doing the same thing. And then my tracker is going a little bit wonky. There we go. Yeah. If the length is over some kind of limit, line float, no, int characters line limit, it's if it's over, I want to take the message and split it with space, so I get an array. I don't need to know. Bunch of parts. I like the VRC for world music. This is Zelda music. Maybe it can be sassy. I don't know what you mean. And then I think I'll just do something like, well, split. Sure. Yeah. Then character count is 0. And then for each part and parts, final string, it starts empty, final string, add, start this plus equal part plus a space plus a part then if whoa, magic. Thank you for the 1000 bits, and you just earned the 1k bits badge. Congrats. You want a reverse card? Ah, I see. Now you got a reverse card. Congrats. Now you can use the reverse cards everywhere you want on Twitch. Thank you so much for the 1000 bits. Appreciate it a lot. Enjoy the Uno card. Do you also get more with it? Or is that the first one? Forgot. You also unlock. Oh, okay, that's the first one. Uno. Nice. Nice. A Uno card? But no, that's not what I was going to say at all. Oh, I don't know what you mean. I'm not doing this right. Like I'm complicating myself for nothing with this. I just want to split into different parts. So I split it into a bunch of words. So this is basically all the words. And then I go through each of them and add it to the final string. To, I guess, current line. Let's call it current line. Current line. And then if the current line length is larger than the limit, that we need a new line, right? So string final message. So if this is what if we are getting to the end of the line, final message can get the current line and a new line should be called the string.empty. Nice wordplay. You know what you mean? There's no wordplay here. I don't need this then. Else. Oh yeah, we add new one and the current line becomes empty again. Otherwise, current line, we add a space to it. Let's see, let's do this. So if the message is too long, then we prepare an empty one. We split the message by space. We start with the current line, and then for each part of the message, we add it to the current line. And then whenever that line is over the limit, then we add a new line to it and empty the current line. Otherwise, just add a space and keep going. Okay, and now I just need to test this. Just for testing, I'll just do apply text. This is a kind of long message, but not really. Oh, you have no cards? That means you win. If you don't have any cards in Uno, you win, right? Yeah, that means you win. Yay! Okay, let's test. Oops. You won Uno! Congrats! Speech bubble. Character limit, let's do like 10 for now. I need a moderator based. Okay, so this is split into 3. So this first space is not good. Let's try longer. 15. Yeah, the first space is wrong when I do a new line. But not. And then it stops? Where's the rest of it? This is a kind of long message, but not. Where's the lol? Where is it? It should be all. No, but not really. Oh, if we finish all of it. Final message. Also add current line. At the end of it. But also this space. Not always. Else, if the current line is not empty. You know how in Smash Cookie there's a hammer spin while jumping, like the front spin? Maybe emote like that? If else. If else? Yes, else if. If else, else if. Yes. So you kind of want like the slime spinning forward with the hammer. Let's see that. This is kind of a long message, but not really. And if I do 5, it will be like every word. This is kind of a long message, but not really. Okay, so there's another thing. The message is I want it to be aligned to the right or middle, maybe. Let's see. This is a kind of long message, but not really. How does it look? Okay, no, middle is better. No, this is bad. This is also bad. You're going to go sleep. Alright, sounds good, chef. Good night and take care. Thank you for hanging out. Thank you, thank you. Magic. What are you doing? Why are you saying that might as well get the 2 other emotes? Here, why are you bullying, chef? That's not okay. That's not okay. Let's try this again. Magic. Wow, that's a lot. How much is that? 10,000? 14? 1,400? Is that 1,400? 14,000? That's 14,000. Magic. Thank you so much for 14,000 bits. Now you have all the emotes and all the badge. Congratulations. Thank you so much. Congrats on all the emotes. Woot woot. Yes. I hope you enjoy the Pat and the OWO emotes that were exclusively used by me up until today. Now you also have the right to use them. But seriously, thank you so much. That it means a lot. It's a lot of thousands of bits. All of it will be all of the like. It's something I used to say a lot. That all the income that I make on Twitch goes back into making the stream better, and goes back into making like buying better equipment, better trackers, camera, microphone, stuff like that. So thank you so much, Magic. I appreciate it a lot. Thank you. And I really do hope you enjoy the new emotes. It's some of my favorites, so I do hope you like it. I don't know what to say there more. I'm kind of speechless. Oh, that one. I wasn't really speechless, but now I am. Okay, so the message here is fine. And then I can set the size of this speech bubble to like 20. And hide the canvas. You love emotes? Good to hear. Glad you like the emotes. The artist behind it is very talented. It's the same artist that made Kyo's emotes. No needs for words, just keep on being cutie. Oh, I have to. I am the leader of the cutie squad. But yeah, thank you again for sure, for real. Okay, let's do another test. If I say hi. Oh wait, I did not connect. Silly me. Hi, it's it. The slime can answer and it can move this, it can adjust it. This is good. And now that I have the system, I can just add more stuff to it. So instead of this if, I can do a switch case. Yeah. Switch this. And cut this. Default. Do nothing. Case. Say hi. And now I can also add like a case for first. Okay, so let's see. The first is just called first. Case first. I can do. For now, it will be just a small message, but congrats. Display name on being first. We can actually. Hydration break. All right. Time to get some water. Thank you, Magic. Let me grab some water. Thank you again for the hydration. Should probably be drinking water yourself. It's been hot in the house instead of drinking a ton of soda. Yeah, I mean soda tastes good, you know. So I understand it, but yes, you should be drinking water, especially if it's hot and you're dehydrating. Uh, that's line. And then let's define this as something like yay. Wants me to get soda makes you sweat more because of the sugar, I think, right? Okay, so the first high first and pat will now with this it will display. So I should make something to save the speech bubble position. Because right now I have to move it every time. Okay, let's connect. And let's do the hi. Hello, WQT. And then let's do. First is not doable anymore. We can do pat test line. Yay! Get the pat. I give the pats. Carbonated? Maybe. I'm not very familiar with how all of that works. Okay, so that works. Now I do want to do a thing where the speech bubble is saved. On end. Okay, that's good. That's good. It has an event I can call. So here I can add a public thing to save position. Save bubble position. I wonder what takes nothing, right? It takes nothing. Yep, setting right there. Oh no, it's at least 85 or more. Yikes, that's very warm. That is very warm. 2 fans, an open window, and it's not helping. Oh no. Do you have both fans like open towards you? You should try having one of the fans near the window, either blowing in or out, just to make air flow. Like your goal is to get air flowing. So one thing I want to test is the speech bubble's position. Let's see. So X and Y values is what I want to save from the rect transform, and those are both floats. One is facing out the window and the other one is aimed at your back. Okay. Yeah, that's usually a good strategy. I want to see how I set up the controls. Player, okay, camera pause. So I can do speech bubble pause. I guess I can just copy. Speech bubble position. X and Y. And then for this, what I can do is grab. Is it a container? But I want, no, it's a speech bubble itself. So container.parent. Dot parent. Dot rect transform dot parent dot position dot x. And same thing with for y. And then get bubble position. Something like this. You worried for your PC with the heat might melt on you? Hopefully not. 26C. 26 Celsius is still pretty warm. At least for me. Don't know and see what's like. 26 is more around 75-ish. Yeah, it's still pretty warm. 78. Close enough. That's close enough. The position equal position. So get. I want to do that. And start. And save. I can do that. In the inspector on N. This and get the save. So now with this, the speech bubble will save. So if I turn this on, I don't know where it is. It's super far away. Okay, so now I put here, play, re-click again. Now it should be at the right place. No, it's not. Did I not save? Set. Global container parent. We need to get a new one for 2 years, probably won't last longer. Like a new one, you mean a fan? AC or computer? Let's see, what am I missing? It's getting this correctly. Speech bubble. Saving. That looks correct. I wonder if this is actually activating on N. Okay, only one way to know. Add something I could that tells me if that happens. Plug, save. Get back. Computer. 2 years is not too bad for a computer. My computers usually last like 5 or more years. It does save. Okay. So why when I start does get and gets the wrong thing? Let me see. Debug, log, the position. Let's see what's happening at the start. You need to get a new monitor too. Got a 32-inch curve widescreen, but you hate it. You don't like curved screen? I don't have one. I've tried it. It wasn't for me, but I wouldn't say that I hated it. It was $900 PC. Ordered Amazon is average. I see. Got a new one. Planning to get a new one. Just not sure what specs. That's fair. That's fair. If you're planning on getting a new one anyway. As for the specs, it's hard to say because like the market is kind of weird. Like prices are just all over the place. I guess you want to know like what you do? What do you want to do with a computer? And that should help you decide what kind of specs you get into it. Why is this not working then? It's reading the right thing. It's just not setting it. So this part is not working. Maybe if I do transform. No, still not the correct value. So parent. Okay, so rect transform. Parent. Oh, okay, because I do parent, then it's still, now it's the transform. So I want to do game object. Okay, so let's do transform parent game object get component rect transform. Maybe that's what I need. Set position. No, just position. Maybe this is what I need. It's good for watching things, but playing games makes it really thinner than you prefer. I see. This is not setting correct. Anchored position is probably what I need. Maybe. I'm just testing at this point. This is how coding goes. Always like trial and error. This is how I got my job. And it works. I think. I see the correct values. But it's too high now. Now it's 600 minus 200. Stop, then play again. Why is it all the way up here? 500. Oh, okay, I know. because I'm not saving the correct thing. I need to do something here. Game object. Got this thing, got this thing. It like better quality and less slow rendering, so I can handle multiple things at once without fritzing out. Oh, that's pretty vague. Like when you say rendering, what kind of rendering are you doing? 3D rendering or Photoshop rendering? Like what kind of rendering are we talking about? Try again. Hey, it's at the right place now. I got the saving position. Now I can put it behind, and then it will stay behind. Yes. Although it's all like a screen position thing. Okay, that works. I just need the default value to not be outside of the screen, because that's going to happen. So let's do something like default value let's see, player pref dot has key. Yeah, I can just check the keys. If it doesn't have the key, then position should be equal to something like 200 by 200. I think that's fine. I'll be at least is it? No, negative, right? Negative 200. Games, playing Black Ops, and the building gun doesn't render into visible buildings. It's a weapon. Apologize. Grew up technology times, have no clue. Oh, no need to apologize. Technology is evolving at a very fast rate, and it's not easy to keep up with everything. So no need to apologize, really. I'm also always learning. Okay, so well, I mean, if you're looking for games, you probably are looking at you want a decent graphic cards. You're looking at a good amount of RAM, because you want to multitask, right? You want to open a bunch of things that don't just explode. Probably like multiple tabs. CPU, you don't need to get like a very good one. Like you just need a average gaming one. Like you don't need enough top of the line, because CPU, like very high end CPUs, mostly if you do like 3D run, like power user 3D rendering kind of stuff, or like creating 3D models, high productivity, high creativity task. So you don't need like very high end CPU. And for games, if you're mostly playing games like just on the computer, not VR, like if you're not doing VR games, you don't need top of the line GPU either. You just need like a decent one, decently recent. So like middle ground PC would be more than enough for what you need, I would say. As for pricing, I'm not sure, because pricing is all over the place. So I don't know what kind of pricing you would look at right now. More than 1,000 probably, if you want something that can game. but not like crazy 5,000 like I did. Like I spend so much on my PC because I'm a content creator. I like I stream, I multitask a lot. I create stuff like rendering, 3D rendering, videos, stuff like that. So I got top of the line everything, and I do VR on top of it. But most people don't need that. Let's see, Ryzen 5 3600, 6 core, 16 GPUs, 16 RAM. Not sure what other things. Yeah, so for the RAM, that's good. For the Ryzen 5 3600. Wait, Ryzen 5. That doesn't sound right. Because oh wait, no, it does. 3600 is like a little bit old. That's starting to get older. Newer generation are like the 5000 series. So I would look into that just to make sure you don't get like too old of a processor. You do need a GPU if you want to game. You don't need a super high-end GPU, but you do need a GPU if you are going to game. Hi Rocky, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Let's see. Let's put this low just to see if that works. That worked. This one can hide the canvas. Not sure what GPU is, you don't know where it tells you. If you open the task manager, you should see one that says GPU if you have one. Maybe you don't have a GPU and that's why you're struggling. Not at all what you feel old when talking about computers. It's just something you're not familiar with yet. Like if you look into it and read a bit, you'll be fine. Hey Jedi, howdy. How are you doing? Okay, let's do a test now. Let's connect this and use some redeems. Like the hi redeem. And it says hi back. That works. Doing good, just chilling. Nice. I'm currently working on my own overlay. Like I'm building my own 3D overlay. And you can interact with it. It's partially working. So like if you redeem like the hi redeem or feed a cookie redeem or the headpad redeem, the slime, that one should react. Had dinner with family, your brother's birthday. Oh, happy birthday to you, brother. Hope the dinner was good. What did you get for dinner? What kind of birthday dinner? Hey, it's eating slime. So both of them, this one and the one over there, both of them got a cookie. Two cookies for the price of one. Is this the Kitoki? No, it's not. It's Zelda. It's Legend of Zelda and Nvidia GTX 60. Eating cookie, Jedi giving cookie, and Kyo is giving us a pat. I'll give some pats. Pat. So GTX 1660 is getting old. That's a very old GPU. That's probably why you're struggling. Right now we are on the 3rd generation, so like 3000 series. So that is probably the reason why you're struggling. And had a nice steak from Santa Fe. Nice. I haven't had a good steak in a very long. Maybe I should look into that. A nice steak would be nice. What do you think, Slack? Do you want a steak? Or do you just want cookies? Probably just want cookies. I don't know if the Slack can even eat steak, but I think it wants more cookies. Okay, let me stick. All right, let me build this into something I can use. So starting from now, I get to use it. Okay, now I can close this one. Reopen it. Ask. Let's see, where is it? Slime software. I need it to capture. Okay, it's capturing now. To adjust the text. Oh wait, it's not connected. Connect. Is it not doing anything? Did I build to the wrong one? What did I build? Let's move this to this screen. This one is active. It's not showing text. Huh. What happened? But also, I didn't create a good way to set up the speech bubble. So I'll have to look into that. So it's you have a PC built by NZXT. Oh, how was it to get it built by NZXT? I looked into it. I didn't get it in the end because it didn't have a lot of customization choices. You like their PC only 50 more than the parts were worth. Okay. So getting someone to build for $50 is worth it. Okay, that's not too bad. Like, was it well built? And how was the delivery and stuff? Like, was it fast? I got mine from iBuyPower, because that's one company I know really well. I like NZXT's cases, and I was considering using NZXT's building service, but they didn't have a lot of parts. I didn't have what I wanted to get it on my computer. Wonder if it's bad that your GPU says 71 Celsius. That's okay. That's an okay temperature for the GPU. Like my computer right now, let's see. We have I don't have anything to look at it. But like my computer is water cooled and it's like sitting at 50, 60 degrees. So 70 is not that bad considering your computer is not like the best ones. One a really good one. So I don't think it's an issue. As long as you don't hit like 90s. 90s Celsius is where you start having issues. 70 is fine. Yeah, Jedi, let me know how was the service. Biggest reason you went with them is the PC you're looking to build, if you're to build with it, was the same. Okay, so that's convenient then. Yeah, when I was looking, it had a lot of what I wanted, but it did not have the options to get as much RAM as I wanted. It's running fine after a year and a half. Nice, that's really good. Like my build is crazy. Let's be honest. Like if you scroll down into my panels, you'll see the specs of my PC. It's like a crazy spec PC. And when I tried to build it with N16, I could not get all of the parts I wanted. You bought another 16 gigs of RAM. So yeah, I think the RAM was one of the things. Like I could not max. Like there wasn't a way to max out. There wasn't a lot of choices. Doesn't sound bad, but you'd like it unnecessary. flashy computer with cooling. Okay, well, I mean, if you want to have fun with it, by all means. Yeah, I have a thing over there. Like, I went a little bit over the top. Like, I told myself that, okay, well, if I was going to build a machine, right, I really want it to be good. Like, I didn't want to have to think about it for a long while. So I took the best Ryzen CPU I could get. I got the best GPU I could get on the market at the time. I got as much RAM as I could with 64 gigs of RAM. Of course, SSD, pretty good Yanli case, like tons of water cooling and RGB fans. And the cooler has like a screen on it, so I just went and have fun with it. Really. Build an aquarium PC. That sounds like a little maintenance. You know, you're supposed to change the water all the time for an aquarium. Alright. I don't think I'll be doing much with the project. Let's switch to just chatting soon. So I can just talk with chat a little bit before I close up. Yeah. Alright, wait, where's my slime? What are you doing in the corner? Hang out to the room. That sounds pretty cool. The rubber fish instead of real ones. So the issue with using actual water is it's more maintenance, and there's some risk. Because if you mess up, like if something goes wrong, there's a lot of water right there that can go into the computer, right? So you want to be careful with that. Water cooling is very common now, so it's pretty standard to use it, and you can have like good closed loop, so there isn't much maintenance to do with it. Should add a slime attack animation while the slimes hop to the corner and bonks the head. So that would be nice. But it is difficult to do because the slime doesn't know I exist. Like the slime is just a software in itself. It's just like a black screen for it. There's nothing else. If you made an aquarium PC, probably use some sort of mineral water. Mineral water could be a cooling system for the PC alongside some fat. Mineral water has no compatibility, so you don't have to worry about fried electronics. Okay. So you don't have to worry about fried electronics. Oh, some oil. Okay, so you don't put real fish in it. So that's what the first step. No real fish. Because that will require you to change the water out every week anyway. And probably if you use the water, like the PC will cook the fish. Right? I feel like a computer will be hard enough that it would cook like the aquarium. Robofish? That's interesting. Or maybe like Robofish, like Magic said. Will be fun, you know. I've seen. I'm sure someone did it. Like I'm 100% sure there's some video somewhere on YouTube. Someone tried it. Someone did aquarium fish. Got a bunch of views with it. I'm sure. It's a cool idea. It's just a lot of work and maintenance. And Magic, I feel you. Myself, I don't have enough knowledge to disagree with it anyway. I'm like, okay, that sounds reasonable. Like not using water and using oil instead. That kind of makes sense. Reminds you, a company made a fish lure that when placed in water, the fish will swim. Huh. That's interesting. It's probably like some kind of physics with it, right? When you put the fish in it, the water flows through it and makes it move or something. That's cool. That is pretty cool. Yeah, there's a lot of options there, but like if you just want to have fun with your build magic, you can just add a lot of RGB lights. Like if you have enough lights in it, you can theme it the way you want it. Like one day you want rainbow, you can put rainbow. If you want like I don't know, a blue and white theme one day, you could do that. If you wanted green, you could do that. Right. Physics. Yes, like yes, physics. Like if you build like a lure that swim by itself, like if I guess plastic or something that starts moving by itself when it's in water, I assume it needs to like it's built in a way, like the structure of it has to be built in a way where when it's put in water, the pressure of the water pushes something that makes it move. Is what I would assume. At least that's how I would look into it, at least. Yeah, I just went with a lot of RGB, just a bunch of lights and a screen. There's a screen. So on my computer, there's like there's an animation of the slime eating cookie 24/7, and I can say that my computer is powered by the slime eating cookies. Yeah. I wonder if I have like a picture of it or a video of it. Let me try to find it. I feel like I have. Do I have? It will be in January of this year. Let me download the video so I can show you. And then I'll probably end this stream after that. Keep power. Add media source. New. Okay. You can see like the computer here with the slime in the middle. You ordered a vanilla milkshake from the burger. Then was good but kind of warm when got to the house. Oh no, warm milkshake. Oh no. That's sad. So yeah, you can see in the video. It's not a really good video. But you can kind of see the slime, right? E9 is just the status. It's just saying that the computer is running correctly. But yeah, that's the slime that I have. Right, the computer is powered by the slime eating cookie. Like the one that you can see up here, that corner. It's tiny right now, and it's powering the stream also. Right. I think this is where I'm going to be ending the stream. I will be streaming again on Thursday. Yeah, I'll probably be playing most likely more Metroid Dread, but I'm not 100% sure yet. But for now, let's see if there's anyone we can raid. Thank you everyone for hanging out. Thank you to Cherry for the resub. And thank you so much for Magic for a total of 15,000 bits today. That's a lot. That's the most bits I've ever had in a single stream. Or no, it's just the most bits I ever had in total. Feels good being the first to use any emotes. You are going to be the first to use emotes outside of myself, on Twitch at least. So congrats on that. But yeah, thank you everyone for being here and hanging out. It's always a lot of fun. It's always a good time. Let's see if there's anyone we can raid. Let's see. Oh, not many people streaming today. Raid DBQD. Interesting choice. How is the stream? They are BRB, so not a good raid target. You're happy when you saw me online. I'm happy that you feel that way. And I'm happy to bring some joy through my streams. Alright, let's raid Namaki. Although it's been 2 hours and something that he has been streaming, but let's raid Namaki anyway. Namaki, also a VTuber playing Beat Saber right now. Looks like song requests are open, so feel free to request something. And as we go, before we go actually, to anyone lurking, if you're not in my Discord, you should join, or if you want, you can also follow my Twitter. That's the best way to keep up to date with what I do and not miss any of my streams. Next stream will be Thursday. I'll probably be playing something. Most likely Metroid Dread, but not 100% sure. In the meantime, thank you everyone for hanging out. And hopefully that was a good time for you all. Have some cookies before we head out. And as we raid, send a message into Namaki's chat. This is a raid from the Cutie Squad. Alright. Take care everyone. Stay wholesome, be cuties everyone. Bye bye.